Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at a complete off-grid power solution, the ABOK Ark3600 solar generator kit. This isn't just a power station, it's a full energy system designed for independence, emergencies, and outdoor living. Right out of the box, this kit includes a massive 3,840 watt-hour station along with 400 W solar panels, giving you everything you need to start generating and storing your own electricity. That means you're not just relying on stored power, you can actively recharge using sunlight. Let's talk performance. The Ark3600 delivers a strong 3,600 W output, which is powerful enough to run major appliances like refrigerators, microwaves, tools, and even multiple devices at the same time. Whether you're at home during an outage or off-grid in Anverf, this system has you covered. One of the biggest highlights here is the 2000 W max solar input. That's huge. It means faster solar charging compared to many other systems in this category. So even with heavy usage, you can recharge quickly during the day and keep your system running efficiently. The 3840 Li-FePO4 battery ensures long-lasting performance with enhanced safety and durability. Compared to traditional batteries, it offers more charge cycles and better thermal stability, making it ideal for long-term use. This system is perfect for multiple scenarios: home backup during power outages, off-grid living, camping trips, garage setups, or even outdoor work environments. It gives you flexibility and independence from the grid. You also get multiple output ports, allowing you to power several devices at once. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to monitor battery levels and energy usage in real time. If you're serious about energy independence and want a powerful, solar-ready system that works anywhere, the ABOK Ark3600 solar generator kit is a top-tier option. Check the link in the description to get yours today, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more powerful tech reviews.